Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Itel P17. So you first put the phone off because you want to remove the password of the phone. When the screen is totally off, then you press volume down button and power button together, and you keep on holding it. You keep on holding it until the screen pops up. If the screen pops up, you keep on holding the volume down button and let go the power button. So now we can go with the setup wizard. Look for where you can see wipe data and factory reset using volume up button. Then after getting it, you press power button to select. Here you select on factory data reset. Then you wait for the phone to come start up again. It takes some time, but you just wait for it. Just wait for it. Now the phone has started already. You can click on start button. You go the setup wizard of the phone. Sometimes here it takes long. You have to be patient until it finishes. You click on skip when it shows network. Click on skip again. Yeah, you got the setup like starting a new phone, like how we do it normally. Here you click accept terms and conditions, you skip on the password, you click agree, you select the country where you are, agree, boom. Now the phone is totally done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more content.